We're running late as per usual with this class, but I've run later than I am right now before. Hear the bell. So I'm actually right on time for my 8 a.m. I probably wouldn't have come today if I wasn't vlogging because I feel so sick. Well, it's also the last class and I actually like this class. Okay guys, I just walked to the gym and they had it. They had my cat card. I'm so thankful. I was just talking to my friend for a little bit. I'm gonna have some breakfast and then I'm gonna set up my water filter. I'm gonna finish watching the rest of Amy's video. And after I eat this, I'm probably gonna make some oatmeal. This is me prior watching Amy's video. Literally I'm not even halfway through and I'm shaking with inspiration. Like, it's been like on the back of my mind the past week or whatever, being like, I need to vlog, I need to upload my videos, because I lost like a lot of the footage I took on my phone of me and Danielle in Disney in Florida because my MacBook got repaired and then everything got erased. Anyways, I have all those like remaining vlogs to edit and all my Costa Rica vlogs, so that's like been preventing me from like vlogging for YouTube here at University of Arizona. Yes, that's where I am. And I've just been making like TikTok day in the lives, because like also have absolutely no storage on my phone because I take so many pictures of everything. So I'm gonna try to vlog this whole week, at least tomorrow, and hopefully I don't get sick, wake up sick tomorrow, because I have a sore throat right now, like a little bit of a cough. I went to this like Made in Tucson market yesterday with my aunt and I got this elderberry lemonade, and elderberry is really good for like when you have a cold. I tried it and it's good, and literally the ingredients are so good. I hope I don't spill this. It's literally only sweetened with honey. After I drink this, I'm gonna put water in it and I'm gonna put one of these immunity tablets. Sorry if my room's literally like so dull. Also have these supplements, and I have my friend Julia gave me this one. Just walked up so many flights. I forgot that you have to pay for it. This is so embarrassing. I literally have walked by this washer like 3 times already and I just forgot my detergent up there, so I have to go again. Amy's vlog was so perfect. Like, of course, today I'm gonna vlog with like everything's going wrong. I'm sick, like holding the laundry, like holding with missing my cat card. This milk, like my oats would not blend, or I feel like that just goes to show, like, especially me who wants things done perfect, the best of what I want them to look like or appear as, like, can never happen. I'm listening to a podcast too about you shouldn't expect perfection in relationships and friendships. because no one's perfect and you're not perfect, and then that just means you just want yourself to be perfect, so then you're hating yourself. So that's my insightful lesson for today. See guys, literally all of my videos are gone, and not even on here, like all of them that I uploaded off my phone to my computer are gone. Like literally all my files were erased, so that's amazing. I don't know what's going on outside my room right now, but I'm gonna set up my water filter. I just like watched my old YouTube videos. I miss high school, and I said I would never say that sentence in my life, and yet here I am. I'm like never getting excited about a water filter. Guys, it filters fluoride. If you know, you know. Look, I filled it up. That took so long. Okay, it looks like there's no water even in it. Cleaned it, assembled everything. I just tested the water and it was 000, which is what it's supposed to be. Let's try it. Guys, it literally tastes so good. I've just cleaned all my dishes from breakfast. Yeah, got the water filter all set up. That took like literally an hour. It took so long for the water to go through the filter, so I had to keep like waiting to fill it up. Whatever sickness is in me right now, like I feel like I should be going to bed, and it's 1:40. Sorry, I didn't film like any of my workout. There was so many people.
The majority of my enjoyment versus school. So in my undergrad, I didn't really excel in a lot of my science classes. I excelled in some nutrition classes, but the work. So after my sophomore year, I knew if I wanted to be a dietitian, I would have to probably kind of regroup a bit and do better in school. Again, I made a lot of friends.
So I'm definitely sick. You're literally in the cabinet right now, and it took me an hour and a half to fall asleep last night, and I went to sleep at 8:30, so then I fall asleep till like 10, and I woke up at 4 a.m. and couldn't fall asleep until like 6 a.m. But you just saw me get the green juice, kale, celery, I think, ginger, and lemon, and apple as the base. And I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, so I just folded my laundry and drank my elderberry lemonade and everything. I think I'm gonna go to the library for a little bit to do some work, and yeah. I also just wanted to show you guys, my mom sent me a little care package. Give you a little haul. Power bar, there's another one that I ate. A bunch of these. Spice mix for my tofu. Dark chocolate. These like decor things. They're Christmas to put on your window. A book. Stocking with a candy cane. And then there's a bunch of Unreal peanut butter cups in here. And then a Grubhub gift card. Also, I ordered some stuff off of Gymshark for their Black Friday sale. So I thought I might as well do a haul, try on haul right now for you. One of the things I got was that pink long sleeve. Got these blue leggings for this color. Also got another long sleeve cropped. This one is, oh wait, just kidding. Wait, what is this? Oh, wait, what? This is purple. I thought it was supposed to be gray. I think. Last thing I got was these yellow shorts. I had to like roll them up a little bit, but yeah.